What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel today. I thought I'd go live. I just got off of work. I was listening to that debate on the way home. Um, and I just had to go live to come talk to you guys, man. Jesus, what a shit show that was for the old Bitcoin guys, right? And just a few key points I want to go over from that stream. And one that people are obviously going to bring up. Richard's talking about, maybe mainnet within a month. Just how much education he spit on that stream was amazing. So these are a few things I want to go over. And of course, I want to get your guys' thoughts in the chat. So feel free to drop down any thoughts y'all had about that debate in the chat so we can go over them here together. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm kind of breathing heavy. I just had to carry some boxes in from the car. And if you hear kids talking in the background, I got my son running around. So this isn't going to be a structured stream. I just wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys about the shit that just went down. It's pretty exciting. So let's say hello to the chat. Godfather J6, as always. What's going on, my man? It's good to see you here. Thank you guys for showing up. That debate, man. Wow. Yeah. It was crazy. And I'm glad it was able to go on for, I thought it was only going to be like maybe an hour. So I'm glad it got to run over. And I'm glad that guy finally just let him, do like a conversation and stuff. So, it turned out to be awesome. You want to say hello? You want to say hello?
Say hello.
Hi.
All right, go play. Go play. All right, so he wanted to say hello. But yeah, man, it was an awesome debate. I even had my wife tuning in. She found it interesting as well. Like I said, she's finally starting to come around to this crypto thing, and now whenever she hears Richard talk, she finds it pretty intriguing. And I've kind of got her started reading the self-help books that he's created and stuff like that. So everything's coming together pretty nice. MJB, gentlemen, good to see you, buddy. It's always good to see you in here. Hold on. Clash of... Hey, hush. Go play. Clash of Ideas, truly one of his best debates. Factually overwhelming his... It was crazy, man. And, when your opponent has to start blowing, insults, personal, insults, calling him fat, all this stuff, it's just crazy, man. And every time, Richard would say something, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin's going to win in the end. I don't think, his mind is clouded by, it was funny what Richard said, how he says, man, you're the Peter Schiff of Bitcoin, because that's basically what he's doing. I mean, he's got his blinders on. He's not open-minded. He's just stuck in that Bitcoin grind, which is a bad place to be, especially, crypto. That's what crypto is here for. It's made for the innovation. It's made to change the world. It's not made to just get stuck in one thing and stop the innovation, stop the world from being a better place. And, I don't understand why Richard's getting so much slack from these people when all the man is doing is just caring for people. He cares about people. And the other guy's argument was, you need to stop trying to be Jesus. And then Richard said he was skinny. I'm more like a Santa. That was kind of funny. But, it's just that's how the world has come. People hate on other people for caring about other people. And it's just disgusting. Clash of Ideas. It's good to see you here. It's good to see new faces in the chat. I'm happy it happened because Richard Hart got to show color. It's true, man. And I'm not sure how many followers the Bitcoin magazine has or anything like that. But it's good to get on platforms like that and share factual information. Because the other guy, he had some facts, but then Richard Hart would just come in and just smack him down and just, give him the right answer. And no matter what people say, all the guys in that Twitter space that were listening in or on the Bitcoin's YouTube channel, they can talk all the shit they want to behind the keyboard and in the chat and stuff, but something had to have hit them in the heart, unless they're just a straight up evil or just closed-minded person. Because when you hear Richard talk, just the way he, you know, his tone, how he gets so emotional with what he's trying to put out and get, trying to get his point across. When you hear somebody like that cares about what he's saying so much, you start to pay attention. And you got to be a real hard-shelled motherfucker to not listen to Richard Hart when he's talking. What's up, little man? Yeah, he had to have his YouTube debut. He's been seeing Daddy doing it, and he keeps walking to the door and peeping his head around, trying to come in here. Santa, yes sir. I heard there were about 500 peeps in the Bitcoin live chat. Wow, that's awesome. See, I was driving home from work. I had to work pretty far away today, and I was driving home, and there's nothing better. There's nothing better than a long drive and having Richard Hart on a live stream. There's nothing better. You just zone out and just enjoy the goodness. It's like whenever Richard Hart streams, I find myself like I just get addicted, man. I just get so addicted with what he's saying, because when he starts talking about what's going on with the Pulsechain and stuff like that, I get so excited, man, because you can just feel it. You can just feel something amazing is about to happen in this ecosystem, because you can see it on Richard Hart's face. You know what I mean? You can see how excited he is when he's talking about it, and it's hard not to be excited. It's hard not to be excited. Richard Hart was calm, clear-headed, and wasn't affected by no. Like when they were telling the jokes, like, Richard, I'm having a heart attack. The gravy got me. He's got such a sense of humor, and you can't insult that man, because he deals with this shit on a daily basis, and he's gotten so much shit for Hex. So, hold on one second, guys. All right, sorry, man. It's hard to stream when the baby. Normally when I stream, the baby's in bed. So what do you guys? What are you guys' prediction on the Pulsechain? I think it's getting super close. I think it's getting closer than we think. And Richard also was mentioning at the end of his stream, he was talking about possibly not even doing another test net. So that's pretty interesting. And I had thoughts about that as well, because once I seen how smooth stuff was running on this test net, because he was even talking about he had node updates that they pushed and stuff like that, and everything was just running so smooth, and they're just getting the SAC balances in order. So it's starting to look good. I want to pull up some charts here real quick and just go over a few things, guys. This ain't going to be a long stream. Like I said, I just wanted to jump on here and see what you guys' thoughts were about that debate. But let me pull up some charts here so we can take a look. It's looking like some pretty good buy prices right now, guys. I ain't gonna lie, I did a little bit of DCA today into Hedron. I bought a little Hedron. It was about right there. Let's see if I can mark it for you guys. Oh shit, can you guys see my screen? Nope. Hold on, guys, I'm sorry. You guys, all right, you can see it now. So yeah, I did a little bit of DCA. Go. I'll be out there in a minute. Go. I did a little bit of DCA into Hedron today. It was about at this level right here. And if you guys have been watching any of my streams, basically Hedron's doing exactly what I thought it would do. It's just going to bounce around between the 618 and the 786. Like I said, just building that good, steady foundation for the future. But it's just a very good accumulation phase. And with Pulsechain right around the corner, this is a very good time to keep accumulating, in my opinion. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. This right here with Hedron doing what it's doing, it's giving us an opportunity to put our bags. A lot of times when crypto, especially with the bullish news that's coming out around in the Hex ecosystem and the Richard Hart ecosystem, most coins don't sit here and stagnate like this. When there's bullish news, there's some kind of price action, whether to the upside or the downside. And I don't really see, I don't know if this is going to be some kind of buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event with the Pulsechain launch or the snapshot date. But Richard Hart also did say that he was going to give us a window of the snapshot date. So we're not going to be in the dark about anything. We will have a little bit of heads up on that. So, just always keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. But we ain't got much longer, guys. We don't have much longer. So just, keep DCA and keep building your bags. And this is truly going to be a once in a lifetime opportunity when Pulse launches. Hold on one second, guys. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Should have done that from the beginning. Let me take a look at chat here. Damn it, I keep doing that. Yes, closer than I thought. May latest, unless there's issues. Yeah, there could always be issues with the AMM fixer bot or with the SAC balances, but he was also saying, he might just run the AMM fixer bot without V3. So it's going to be interesting. If the SAC figure's no issue, then soon. If SAC figure's still a shit show, then maybe delay. Yeah, he was talking about his devs had some spreadsheets and stuff set up where you can log in basically with your wallet address and leave comments, and hopefully that'll be a smooth run and everything can get figured out, because nothing's ever perfect. Nothing ever runs completely 100% flawless except Hex. There's always going to be little bumps in the road, and you can't satisfy everybody. Somebody's always going to have a complaint. You can't make every single body in the world happy. You just can't do it. So expect, I'm kind of going to expect some FUD from people when this launches, because I got a feeling there's going to be some loud people saying they got screwed when they really didn't. They're just going to make it seem that way to try to FUD the project. I mean, it happens with everything. That's just how people are in this world. And it's sad, but it's definitely true. Can't see the screen. Yeah, fix that. Good now. Hex done pumping and going to fall back down. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So, whoops. Oh, let me delete some of this shit. So Hex, there's been some pretty big stakes ending recently, and and I think there's another one coming due in about a week. It's about a $300 stake, and the guy just dumped half of his bag today or yesterday. So, what I'm seeing right now with Hex is, it's got this nice W reversal here on the 4 hour, kind of a double bottom playing out. But what I think it's doing is just it's come back down, and it's coming to test this level back over here. This is some pretty good, strong support zone from back here previous to this W pattern. And there's some pretty strong support here at about 14.5 cents. I don't see it. If it can hold this level, that's going to be bullish. But if it doesn't, it could fall pretty quick back down to about 13. And if it can't hold there, it's going to fall. There's not much support, because you can see, it fell hard, came up hard, and came up hard and fell hard. So there's not much support and resistance around those levels. So hopefully it can hold this 14.5 cent level. But in my eyes, it looks like just a classic back test of a W reversal breakout. And the next, like I posted a picture on Twitter, I think it was yesterday, the next major resistance is going to be this 19 to 20 cent range. So if this W can play out, and this is a confirmed back test. So if it can test right here and hold, and we see it holding as support, that's a very good sign. That's a very good sign. Let me zoom out to the daily here and take a look at the daily. The daily is a little bit more. God damn it! I hate these. Let me delete some of these guys off of here. So yeah, like I just said, because you can see here, if we zoom in, it just looks like a classic back test to me. So like I said, if we can hold this support, it's going to be super, super bullish in my opinion. Super, super bullish. Because we don't have, like I just said, we don't have much support on the way down. So we could fall, honestly, we could fall back down to 11, 12 cents pretty quick if we don't hold this level. So short term, just keep your eyes on, if y'all do look at the chart and do care about the chart, just keep your eyes on, this 14.5 cent level. If we break it, we could be coming back down. There's a tiny bit of support here at the 14 cent level. But if we break 14 cents, we're going to come back down to about 12 cents in my opinion. So that's short term for Hex. But like I said, if we can hold this as support and start, chopping sideways a little bit, be prepared to see Hex try to come up and test that 19 to 20 cent level. Damn it, I keep doing that. All right, let's go back to the chat. Fudders everywhere. Just got to ignore them and stick to the plan. Yeah, of course. Fudders are going to be real loud, and, fudders are always really loud, but they don't make any sense when they yell. So I don't, I never listen to them. I have questions about the values of our duplicated coins during ratio trading and early on when bridges open. Will they be worth like 33% of the ETH net value or like 5% of the value initially? I'm going to be straight up honest with you, man. I have no idea. It just depends on people bridging over the liquidity. And, because in the beginning, the market is what sets the ratios. So, I'm not an expert in this field here, but in my opinion, the market's going to set the ratios for whatever, and you can kind of so when the ratios are set on the Pulsechain side, you can kind of go off the values on ETH and look at the ratios on Pulse to make sure you're not getting screwed out of anything. But now when the bridges go live, that's when the value gets transferred over, because people can bridge in, outside value from Ethereum, and that's when everything's going to start building its dollar value. And I think, the prices of these coins, like you just put in here, is all going to depend on how many people bridge over their Ethereum. Like, say, if you get SHIB on Pulsechain, it's going to depend on how many people bridge over their SHIB to pair it with liquidity on the Pulse X. So, it's an unknown. It's a very good question, because I'd really like to know that myself. But I don't know. That's why this is so exciting, because it's going to be something that's never been done before. And but that's how I foresee things. Is pre-bridge, just use the east side to, as your like notes, so you're not if you are going to trade ratios, just have a good idea of you can use the prices from ETH and compare it to the ratios with other coins on the Pulsechain pre-bridge. And then when the bridge is open, it just, like I said, it depends on how many people bridge in their other pairs to pair them on Pulse X. So I really think, though, man, we're going to have a lot of people bridging in their other pairs, because you can't really do anything with those pairs on Ethereum anyway. So why not bridge them on over here to, gain some yield farm and gain rewards on it, because you're going to have that incentive token to provide liquidity on PulseX. So why not earn some passive income on, your ticker symbol that you can't use on Ethereum? That's in my opinion, though. That's a great question. Yeah, it is. That's like who would answer that good? That's like a K for K question right there. Definitely a K for K question. Oh, guys, you guys might be mad at me. No, I doubt it. Not Pulse Doge, man. I've been starting to look into Pulse Doge. I hopped in their Telegram today also, and did some chatting with those guys. And that's a cool community over there. Very welcoming guys. Shared out my stuff about my YouTube channel in there. Supportive. And that's everywhere you look in this community, man. Everybody is just so damn supportive of everybody. But I did. I went and did it. I finally bought me some Pulse Doge yesterday. Because I've been there's been some guys in the chat here. I think it was Crypto Joe's been talking about Pulse Doge, and a couple of other people. I can't remember who it was. So it got me curious, and sure enough, I went in there and purchased some Pulse Doge yesterday. But they're doing some pretty cool things. You're going to get a 1-to-1 copy on Pulsechain when it goes live as well. And then they're going to have some NFTs and stuff like that. And from as far as I can tell so far, in their Telegram and stuff, I really like the vibe in there. I really like how welcoming they are, and they're so willing to help. They were asking me, did I need any more, how much did I know about Pulse Doge? Do I need any more reading material to read up on them? And they linked me a bunch of stuff. So, and I asked them also if they wanted to come on the channel and, talk about it a little bit whenever they're if they ever want to. And they said, they'd be glad to. So, hopefully one of these days coming up soon, we can have Pulse Doge guys on the channel. I don't know if it's team members or anything, but maybe some of the guys from their Telegram would like to come on and just have a chat about it. It's interesting. It's interesting. I'm like I said here, man, on this channel, this is not a maxi channel. If you want to talk about coins on outside the Richard Heart ecosystem, I'm all ears. I'll listen. Most likely I won't invest in them unless I really, do some research on them and, like what they're doing and like the community. Just community is a big thing for me. The community's got to be a tight, good, strong community. Oh, my man, Sweaty Hexkin's in the chat. Hey, Hines, that interview today was bomb. Richard Hart, dude, you killed it, bro. He killed that shit. I was just, like I said, I was driving home and I was just all ears, man. I was just had a big old smile on my face every time that stupid Bitcoin guy made some stupid ass remark. Saying Bitcoin mining ain't polluting dude, they were just so clueless. And also, Sweaty Hexkin, that damn Pulsechain promo you made, fire, great. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's on your channel, so you edited it and all that, dude. That shit was fire. Not just because I was in it, but that helped for sure. But that was perfect, man. That was perfect. Great job. Let me see back here. That PRT pays out so much on testnet right now for staking PulseX. I can't wait till it's live. Yeah, let's not get too happy. I hope, man, I hope it pays out like that. So like I said, I made like $300 in 24 hours. So, and that was only staking, I think, like 5 million PulseX or something like that. So, insane. Yes, Pulse Doge. What's up with that? It's just it started out as a meme coin, I think. Like I said, I don't know much information on it yet. I don't want to, say anything wrong. That's kind of why I want them to come on the channel and spread a little info about it, and just spread the good word about their project. Any kind of project that's, down with Pulsechain and just out here trying to, build strong community and supporting each other. I'm willing to, and I'll open up this channel to anybody that wants to come on and talk about what they're doing. I'm that kind of. This channel's open to anybody that wants to come on here and spread word about anything good that they're trying to do for the ecosystem. Nice. Man, I don't want to chop up your name. I don't want to be an asshole, and I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm glad you're here. It's good to see new faces. So thanks for coming by, man. MJB, trying to do value calculations to see how much I'll give up of something, but so hard to figure out because P token value might suck, or price for say PLS might be super high. Problem is, I won't know which. That's the double-edged sword, man. You can kind of guesstimate with hex and stuff like that. But everything's going to be so new. We don't really know the value of anything. You only have the sacrifice rate to go off of for the Pulse token and the Pulse X token. That's why my strategy, man, I'm just staking and chill. But I'm not against it, man. If you're trying to, anybody's trying to, ratio trade, it's always good. Because I see you, MJB, asking these questions every stream, and that's good. If you are going to be doing some ratio trading, that is a good thing to do. You keep doing your research, you ask questions every stream. That's awesome. I just wish I had more info about that damn ratio trading. That's gonna be a big thing. So and you can't really go off of the test net right now either, because there's just so many, it's just out of whack. So are they doing an airdrop also? I'm pretty sure, man. Yeah, pretty sure they're doing an airdrop on Pulsechain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, sweaty hex again. It won't be like that for a minute, but still. But for a minute. I think I understand that. It won't be like that but for a minute, I think. I don't know. I don't understand that. But yeah. Anything else you guys want to talk about? I've been going here for about 30 minutes. That's about what I wanted to do. This weekend. I don't know if it's going to be Saturday or Sunday. Probably Saturday. I'm going to try to stick them to Saturdays. I hadn't talked to anybody else about doing a stream yet either. So, I will be doing another Hedron giveaway. Oh, yeah, for staking Pulse X, yeah. It might be like that at first, though. You're right. It could be like that at first, but once everybody, like you said, it'll only be like that for a minute for sure. Everybody's gonna be taking advantage of it. RH was on fire. Thank you, man. More content to come. Your clips work really well. Well, I appreciate that, man. Keep up the content. Your content is great. I love little clips like that. Like little hype clips and little hype videos for Pulsechain. It's awesome. So keep up the good work. And yeah, Richard Hart was, he was on fire, man. He was on so much fire. What I would do to just be able to, one day, hopefully I'll be able to meet him in person and be able to ask him some questions that, some pretty good questions that I've had for a long time that nobody's really been able to answer. And I'd be very grateful for an opportunity to ask him some stuff. Will there be limit orders on Pulse X? Since they said it's a fork of Uniswap, which it looks like a fork of Pancake, Uniswap don't have limit orders. So my guess would be no. I don't think there will be limit orders on Pulse X. Could be wrong. Godfather says he's imagined there would be. My opinion, I don't think there will be, but there very well. I mean, there could be, but so far, you would probably see it on the test net, if there was going to be, in my opinion. But yeah, getting back to what I was saying, or MJB, yeah, I guess we'll see. Yeah, that's all we can do, man, is wait and see. Godfather said, "Don't listen to me." It's an opinion, man. We don't know. We're learning together. I could be wrong. Who knows? We're all going to find out together for sure. But what I was saying about this weekend, I will be doing another Hedron giveaway, and shout out to Godfather for donating a little bit of Hedron for this giveaway. So I appreciate that. It's always good to, and most of the time, guys, if I do end up ever getting tips from the channel, if people ever send tips in, what I'll probably end up doing most of the time is, giving back to the community, doing giveaways and stuff. And, there might be a couple times where I might buy some gear for, trying to make these live streams better in the future. But 9 times out of 10, that's what I kind of want to do, is just give back to the community, or save up enough in a tip jar to kind of do something special for somebody that might actually need it in the community. Kind of like what Rags to Riches did and Crypto Heartbeat did for that John May guy. So that's kind of stuff that I kind of want to do is, so all the tips that I get, that I bring in from the channel, I want to, just either continue to do giveaways, maybe, buy some gear for the streams, and, have a good little bit set aside for if something ever happens in the community and somebody needs some help. So that's kind of what I want to do with the channel. And I'm so glad that you guys are a part of it, here making it happen. This is going to be the core team right here. You guys, y'all have been supporters from, basically day one. I know not completely day one, but, because when I first started my channel, I was talking about all kind of crazy stuff. But then I finally, made that transition into Hex and the Richard Hart ecosystem. And I'm so glad I did. So yeah, like the guys in the chat right now are going to be the core supporters. You guys are the fucking Heinz crypto OGs. And I appreciate y'all to the max, to the max, to the max. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. Y'all just liking tweets and retweeting stuff, man. It's awesome. And just showing up, like you, Godfather and MJB are literally here every single time. Even if you just come in for a minute and say, hey, and gotta leave, you're here every single time. And it means a lot. It means a lot. Nice gesture, Godfather, sweet. Yeah, that's awesome. That's that, and I run into that all the time with this community. Everybody wants to give, and they never want to receive anything. Even if people win giveaways, they don't want it. So, it's a good problem to have. The Compassion Cartel kind of stuff is what, yeah, and I'm a part of the Compassion Cartel as well. But yeah, I want to have stuff set aside, because if, let's say, we're having a stream like this or something, somebody comes into the chat, like either Godfather or the person that's struggling themselves comes into the chat, and, they're known in the community or something like that, and, they're struggling. We know they're not lying about it. I'd like to reach out to them and be able to help people, man. Because, I've been homeless. I've been in the, at the bottom. I know how that stuff is, and it's hard, man. It's hard, especially, when nobody believes in you. You feel hopeless, and you feel like there's not a way out. So, I don't like anybody feeling that way, especially if they're a good-hearted person and really trying to do the right thing. So I just want to be here for that support and be that backbone for the community, and try to do what I can. I'm not, and see, sometimes I get intimidated, guys, because I'm not, one of these smart, tech guys like Wells. Like, he can talk all this good stuff about, he knows a lot of stuff. He knows, markets, he knows politics, he knows everything. And I'm not one of those people. I'm just a recovering drug addict, 3 years sober, just trying to get on here and share the information that I can. So, that's what I got to offer. When new stuff comes about, I try to share that, and I do these streams for people to come in and ask questions, and we just figure shit out together. So that's what I'm trying to do with this channel, and I really appreciate y'all supporting me. It's awesome. MJB, heck yeah, man, I'm here to help and support. 100%. 100%. That Discord's going crazy. But yeah, let's see if I want to talk about anything else. Yeah, I aped into Pulse Doge. I DCA'd in some Hedron. I don't want to miss anything. Oh, and this is another thing I've been thinking about. I wanting to do is kind of like making some content to try to reach into some other ecosystems to pull some people in here. Like I'm gonna start making the titles of this video like I seen some other guys in the community doing it too, like SHIB airdrop, Chainlink airdrop, and try to lure some people in here so we can maybe onboard them into Pulsechain. Because when you're just sitting here making content about Hex and Hedron and stuff like that, stuff gets pretty redundant and repetitive, and you run out of stuff to talk about. So I might start doing a little bit of digging into some other ecosystems to try to throw that hook out there and try to hook somebody and reel them on in over here. So Hex Tovan, Pulse Doge, yeah. If there's anybody, where's my Pulse Doge people in the chat? There's one of them. Let's see. We appreciate you, brother. We all ain't on. No, that man right there is a one of a kind person, man. When I first got into Hex and stuff, he was one of the big ones I listened to, and it was a crazy feeling when I was watching his stream. And I didn't know Wells knew I had a channel or anything like this, and I commented. I was like, "Yo, what's up, y'all?" Like I always do in the chats. And Wells was like, "Yo, Heinz, congratulations on your channel, man. Well done on trying to provide the input that you can. And it was just awesome. It was cool to hear that from him because I've been watching him for so long. So." You kind of fanboy a little bit when somebody shouts you out. You know what I mean? It's a cool feeling, man. It's a cool feeling. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to go over? Oh, well, since I got my Pulse Doge people in here, let's pull up the Pulse Doge chart. Is the Pulse Doge on TradingView? Pulse Doge. I got it pulled up on Deck Screener here. The one thing I don't like about Deck Screener is when you click the daily, it it didn't do that this time. Normally it makes it really small. But you can see Pulse Doge just having it was in this good accumulation phase down here, and it's had its little pumps. I ain't gonna lie, I bought in damn near at the top of this green candle. I ain't gonna lie, it wasn't FOMO though. I wasn't oh, Pulse Doge is running, let me buy some. It was just I didn't even look at the price before I bought it. I just did because I like what they're doing and I like the community. But I think it's got potential. It's a pretty small cap coin, so there's some opportunity here for sure. And not so much. The community is just awesome, man. As soon as I hopped in their Telegram, they were just so welcoming, and it was good. Let's see, watch list here. Let's see. Oh, we can take a look at internet money as well. I know a few of y'all are into internet money. See, that's what I'm talking about. It makes the chart so small. Let's see if I go to the 15-minute. Yeah. Internet money's up nice today. 36% in the last 24. That's the one thing I don't like about Deck Screener. Yeah, internet money's on a nice little uptrend here. It's up 36% in the last 24 hours. So if you own IM, you're going to get a copy of that on the Pulse chain as well. And then they're having a big mass burn when Pulse chain launches. They're going to be burning a lot of IM tokens when Pulse chain goes live. So, keep an eye out for that as well. I'm onboarding another buddy into Hex, my second person I've onboarded. It feels good. I used to be nervous about it, but have so much confidence now. See, that's awesome, man. That's cool. I'm still working on learning how to onboard people in person. I still struggle with it a little bit. I've onboarded a couple of people recently. But it's still kind of difficult. It's kind of awkward, especially if they don't know anything about crypto and they're all like or like gold people or legacy market people. So I find it sometimes difficult, but I'm starting to get the hang of it, and especially doing these YouTube lives and stuff like this, like it's really helping me come out of my shell. And another, bringing people on the stream is very uncomfortable for me, but I like doing it because it helps me progress with that fear. So yeah. Digital Substance, appreciate you coming in here, man. You're a new guy. It's good to see new people in here. It's on deck screener, brother. Turn on the log button. Let me see. Does that help? See, I have it normally on log when I'm on trading view. Let's see. Pulse Doge. Log. Oh yeah. Damn. Pulse Doge done went the hell off, son. Damn, how big a fucking run was that? Oh, damn it, I can't see it. Can I make this bigger? Yeah. Damn, what did Pulse Doge do, son? Let's see, from the absolute... I'm gonna take it from here. God dang it, I still can't see. Does that wick count? I'm not sure if that wick counts. Holy shit. What is that? 740,000%? No shit. Pulse Doge done melted people's face, son. Damn. I mean, it's still up. Damn it. It's still up 200,000%. Jesus Christ. Godfather, I try to onboard all the time, and they can't get past okay. You need to first open a Coinbase account and then buy some. Yeah, man, that's such a pain in the ass. What I've been doing is kind of using Staker app, because they got the on ramp on Staker app. So that's been a very helpful tool to me is guiding people through Staker app, because people understand an app like that. But if you try to get them a MetaMask and trying to tell them you got to add token contracts, you got to post and paste addresses and all that other stuff, man, go to a DEX and swap token, they're not going to understand that. You're going to lose them. And what I've been doing is I've honestly, I've gave away some hex to some onboards, not that many, like 1,000, 1,500 hex, and staked it up for them for, I think it was 3 years. There was one guy I staked for 1.5 years, and then another one I staked for 3 years, and just gave it to them, and set their wallet up and everything, and just told them not to look at it. That's gave them their seeds. You put this into your safe or whatnot or whatever, and just wait and see what it does for you. So and then when that comes up, they're gonna have that shit on Pulsechain too. So I'm gonna have to explain that to them as well here shortly whenever Pulsechain does go live. So for us onboard people, it's very difficult to learn how to do it efficiently. Especially when we're new. So it's like banging your head against the wall. It 100% is. 100% is. Especially, when you gotta tell them, oh, it might cost you $50 just to do a swap. You're like, oh, fuck. And a lot of people, that's all they want to throw into it is like either like 100 or $50 here and there. So well, that $50 is gonna get took by the miners. It's nasty. It's nasty. Oh, by the way, thank you, Digital Substance, for telling me to hit the log. I appreciate that. That chart is sick, son. Damn, Pulse Doge went off. It went off hard. Well, I'm gonna smoke one more cigarette with you guys, and then I'm gonna log off here. I hope that y'all will be here this weekend. I'm gonna try to have something planned for you guys. Something. I'm kind of running out of stuff to talk about here until Pulsechain launches. So, that's why I'm kind of digging into other projects. Pulse Doge. What we might do this weekend is go over some more Pulse Doge. The website and stuff like that, and what's going to be going on when they launch on Pulsechain, and maybe go over like the white paper for internet money dividend for Pulsechain, and just start digging into some stuff like that. And then if y'all haven't yet, come join my Telegram, because I want to start setting up some stuff like some project raids that we can go over there and learn about them, and then try to bring them over here, man. And then y'all can be soldiers in the chat trying to explain stuff to them. So if y'all I know Godfather's in the Telegram, but if you guys would, if y'all haven't yet, you don't have to. I'll put my Telegram up on the channel, up on the thing here. Y'all come over here and join the Telegram, and let's build a good community, guys. I want to be in this together, and onboard as many people into Pulsechain and Hex as possible. So yeah, come over there and check us out, and let's create us a little army. Let's see. Oh, thank you for posting that in the chat, man. I'd be down for a dive into Pulse Doge and stuff like that. Yeah, like I want to do some stuff different, and try to provide more education, and not just sit here and ramble. Cause man, I run out of shit to talk about, and it gets kind of awkward. So I don't, I'm gonna start. Like I said, I do work a 9 to 5 during the week, so it's a little harder for me to do during the week. But I do want to start doing some research, and I'm gonna start writing some stuff down, having some more structured type streams. I'm new, man. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of the channel. I just wanted to, they always told me just hit the record button and start. Your first videos are going to be trash. So, as time goes on, we will get better. And let's see. Yeah, there's the Telegram. Y'all come check it out. Link for the Telegram. MJB, you guys see that view of Mintra's site? I sacked some into that. Hope it goes up. Dude, I'm excited for Mintra. They've been kind of quiet here recently before they announced the sack totals. And boy, do those sack totals look nice in the wallet, boy. Dude, I kind of forgot about how much shit I sacrificed for until, all the balances come out, and then I have them all in a line on my MetaMask so I can see all I got. Dude, I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited because those sacrifice phases broke my ass. I sacrificed probably more than I should have. So I'm so excited to see those numbers in the MetaMask, man. It's so exciting. And yeah, the interface for the Mintra site looks sick. So I'm super excited, and it's going to be so much stuff to talk about when it goes live, man. We're going to be able to go over. We're going to start be able to learn about NFTs more on Mintra and stuff like that. We're going to be able to learn more about liquid loans, taking loans, doing lending and stuff. So, dude, we're going to have so much stuff to talk about. Power City, internet money dividend, a new wallet. We're going to have so much shit to talk about when this stuff goes live. So we're never going to run out of content. It's just, it's getting a little stagnant right now. Yeah, my total was double of what I thought I'd get. Nice. That's never a bad thing, right? Keep it quiet. So true. I sacked for like every project. Dude, I'm guilty as charged. Guilty as fucking charged. I sacrificed for... Oh, let's pull that up. Let's see. I haven't done the free pulse yet. I haven't done that because I'm still wanting to look into that a little bit. That's something else we'll start looking in on the channel as well. Um, I don't know what Pulse Shib is. But yeah, internet money dividends sacked for, sacked for, sacked for, sacked for, sacked for, sacked for. So, there's a lot of stuff going on. But this Magic Carpet, I was watching a stream the other night and they were talking about they had different pools set up and something about copies and all kind of stuff. So I haven't really dug into the freepulse.io yet. But I am interested because I like what they're doing and they got a lot of cool stuff that they're working on as well. So that's something that I could possibly see myself sacking for in the next little while, possibly. Because I do like Victor and Felix. They're really good community members and really care about the project and the future of the community for sure. You're not going to have enough time for all the content in one stream? No, never. There's no way. We're gonna keep on keeping on every week. I'm trying now, guys. Y'all help me out in the chat here. I've been pondering on this for the past 2 days. What can we name the weekend show on Saturdays? What can I name? What can I name the show? I've been struggling with it, man, and I can't come up with anything clever. So let's see what you guys come up with in the chat. I want to see where y'all's mind at. Shoot some good names at me now. I want it to be the Saturday show. So let's come up with a name for the live stream on Saturdays. Help me out with that. I wanted to support the ecosystem with all my sacks and get everything in. And yeah, and also you get you get bonuses for Power City if you sacrifice for all the other sacrifices, I think. So it's going to be interesting. Free Pulse, I'm definitely doing. Excited for that. Yeah, I'm like I said, I'm thinking about doing. I haven't yet, but I'm looking into it for sure. I did a little in Free Pulse, several options in different pools. It's a little confusing. Yeah, that's exactly why I haven't pulled the trigger, because I'm still a little confused about it. Honestly, I don't know if I'm confused about it or not. I really haven't really looked into it that much. I just heard it on stream and hadn't really, done my due diligence yet. Godfather said, "What's confusing? Is it just your show or with others? All together, I guess. It's just going to be my show on my channel. Whenever we have the show on my channel, it's going to be, whatever we name it. You know how like Discourse Syndicate has Wake Up Hex, and then, Crypto Heartbeat has the Pulse, and then Rags to Riches has the After Darks. I just want to have a name for the show, so that way we can start doing episodes and I can start keeping track, and it'd be fun. So yeah, help me come up with a name, and it could, so it's going to involve other people and sometimes just solo streams. So the 2 Magic Carpet Ride pools, I think first one sacks the duplicates, but the second one you get your duplicates. Yeah, that's what I heard. MJB, that's what I heard on their streams. That's why, I gotta do a little bit more digging on that. Oh, I don't know about the Magic Carpet Ride sacks. I was gonna join the Free Pulse pool with Victor and Felix. Oh yeah, see, there's the Magic Carpet Ride's doing something crazy. As per usual, they always do the pools and trying to give everybody the better deal. So on Saturday, I don't really want to. Maybe. I want it to like roll off the tongue and be like catchy, you know what I mean? Like something clever. It ain't gotta have my name in it or nothing like that. Kind of like, I don't know, man. I'm stumped. I'm not good with names. I'm not good with names. So if we don't come up with one here, just y'all keep that. Y'all keep that in the back of your, back of your mind as the week goes on. And if something pops in your head, just shoot it to me. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for some kind of name. Hans Saturday, get your mind right. Possibly. No, it's fine. Yeah, I'm a very choosy and picky kind of person. I don't know why, but I tend to be kind of picky. I don't know. But guys, that about wraps us all up. But yeah, shout out to the Pulse Doge community. You guys are fire. I'm definitely going to be sticking around in the Telegram chats. If y'all haven't joined the Pulse Doge Telegram yet, go over there and join and tell them Hans Crypto sent you guys, and then let them know I'm showing them some love. So yeah, go over there and join their Telegram. Let me see if I can't get a link and post it in the chat. I'll post it in the chat. I'll go over there and show them some love. Tell them Hans Crypto sent you, and I would appreciate that. Like I said, they're very cool guys. They're very welcoming. Any kind of questions you guys have about the project, they will definitely help you out and give you some reading material, tell you about the airdrop and all that good stuff. And they also, they just had like Pulse Doge award ceremony. I hadn't really dug into that yet, but they're doing some cool stuff over there. So go support Pulse Doge. Tell them I sent you, and that'd be awesome. MJB, see you guys this weekend. Have a good night, buddy. We will see you this weekend for a giveaway and a laid-back stream. Let me see something. Godfather, you done win in the damn Telegram. I appreciate it, man. You're a beast, bro. You are a fucking beast. Hold on. You're a damn beast, bro. Oh, hell, I can't go nowhere now. Crypto Joe's in the motherfucking house. What's up, buddy? Thanks for retweeting the stream out. Crypto Joe, man, what's your thoughts on that debate that just happened? What do you think about that? Sorry, guys, I'm looking at something here in the background. Crypto Joe, yo. Howdy. Well, damn, Joe, man, I was just about to hop off here. But I'll stick around if you got any questions about anything, or if you want to bring up some talking points that you've seen in the debate. If you want to bring some up, we'll cover what you got to say if you want to. Yep, that's the key takeaway right there. You don't even have to say nothing else. Showed how dumb Bitcoin followers are. Not just followers, because you can be a Bitcoin follower and still hold other things. I'm gonna edit that comment a little bit and say showed how dumb Bitcoin maxis are. The Bitcoin maxis are just straight fucking retards, man. So dumb. When you gotta throw personal attacks at somebody because you don't have nothing else to come back with, hang up the bag, man. Just go away. Show some. Be humble. Humble your fucking self, man. Jesus. There ain't no 20-some-year-old guy got more crypto experience than Richard Hart. I'm sorry. You just don't. Yeah, sad. If those are the people that people are following and listening to, man, they're getting wrecked city. Richard Hart told me everything I need to hear to show Hex and Pulsechain are the future. 100%, man. You know, with Richard's leadership, man, with we just follow what he's built and follow his path. We're all going to be successful, and we're all in this journey together, guys. And it's going to be so fucking fun when this thing launches. I can't stress that enough. It's going to be so fun. Truth, yes, sir, 100%. But guys, I'm about to hop off here. Please like the stream, which I'm sure you guys already have. Let me see here. Yeah, we got 11 likes. That's more than the people are in here. So I appreciate that. Crypto Joe said, when will your IM interview be? He told me he was going to get back with me, that he had to, see when he was available. So I'm still waiting on a reply back to him. But it will be happening. It's just a date is not nailed down yet, but I have been in contact with him, and things are in the works. And I will definitely be the first to let you know on Twitter when that does happen. And Crypto Joe, I appreciate you DMing me your questions. Those are awesome questions. But like I said, I will tweet out a time and date when I'll tweet out the time and date whenever we make it official. I'm not gonna rush him because I know he's got a lot going on with the project and stuff. So in a few days, if I ain't heard back from him, I will reach back out to him. We'll go back and watch the full stream. I appreciate it, man. You didn't miss much. We were just sitting here recapping and talking about a little bit of stuff and talking about how I bought into Pulse Doge, because I remember you bringing it up. You brought up Pulse Doge and made me curious about it. So I went and aped into Pulse Doge, went and jumped in their Telegram chat and started talking it up with those guys. So if you're not in the Telegram chat yet, Crypto Joe, go over there and join Pulse Doge. Tell them I sent you, which I'm pretty sure you're probably already over there. So yeah, we went over that. We went over a few charts and everything. But if you watch it back, you'll see. Looks like the Hex pump is slowing. Yeah, I went over that in the stream as well. So if you rewatch it, you'll get a little bit of TA. Not world class TA, but a little bit. Looking forward to the IM interview. Yeah, me too. Every stream that I've watched with KG, he's a very humble dude, and I really like what they're doing, and I really like how he carries himself and engages with the community. So I am looking forward to that. He's very transparent and very easy to talk to. So it should be fun. It should be fun. Let's see. I am still in there. Still no luck getting cash into BSC to buy IM in a little. What do you mean still no luck getting cash into BSC? What kind of problem are you having? If you're having a problem, I might be able to help you out, buddy. Just let me know. Let me know down in the comments what kind of, if you're having trouble. Let's see. But yeah, I'm probably about to wrap this up, fellas. My wife's about to be back. And so hold on. We'll do Crypto Joe, man. Come over to my Telegram. And we'll talk it out in there. I'll try to help you out, get some money in there. And we can't have you missing out on the Doji pump. So hop into the Telegram. The link should be Godfather. If you can drop that link in the chat again for Crypto Joe, I'd appreciate it. Unless you're already in there, Crypto Joe, I'm not sure. I can't keep track anymore, guys. I'm finally growing, and there's people coming at me from all angles. But thank you, Godfather. There's the Telegram. Crypto Joe, there's the Telegram if you want to hop in there. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, Godfather. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it on up here. I appreciate y'all coming in here. This is fun. I only meant to do 30 minutes. I went for an hour and 5 minutes. That always happens when I'm in here talking with you guys. You know, the stream just goes one way. So this Saturday, be here, giveaway, maybe some new stuff on the agenda. We'll see what happens. Until then, stake that hex, build your bags, and don't get fudded out. I'll see you guys later, man. Y'all have a good one.